tried to survive all the pain inside my mind, but only God knows how to leave it all behind. We were bound at the start, now you're tearing me apart, and I'm the one.
Hello foodies, welcome to my YouTube channel Vaishnavi the Kitchen Chef. In today's video we are going to make spicy, tasty, Bombay style cheese pavbhaji. The ingredients are tomato puree, coriander, cheese, butter, salt, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, pavbhaji masala, boiled potatoes, chopped onion, chopped capsicum, chopped beetroot and chopped carrot. Take a pan, add oil, butter, add onion, capsicum and stir for 2 minutes. Add salt, ginger garlic paste and stir for 2 minutes. Add the tomato puree, pavbhaji masala, red chili powder and mix all the ingredients well. Now add the beetroot and carrot. If you want to skip the beetroot, you can add color. Now mix all the ingredients well and smash it nicely. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes in lower flame. Now smash the boiled potatoes and add it in the bhaji. Now mix all the ingredients well. Add half cup of water, mix well and allow it to cook. Now add a teaspoon of butter, cover the pan with the lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Take a pan, add butter, add pavbhaji masala, add 2 to 3 spoons of the bhaji that we prepared now and mix everything well. Cut the pav into 2 pieces and dip it in the pan. The pav bhaji is finally ready. Top it with onions, cheese and butter.
I live a life without a meaning. I live a life without a sense. Once you've opened up my eyes, I started healing and made me find another chance. So I tried to survive all the pain